Over the next 10 minutes, I'm going to change your financial life forever. The way you spend, save, earn, learn about, and grow your money will drastically shift on a fundamental level. This video contains a way to view money that eliminates emotion and will help you break free from the nightmares that debt can create. If you're in a hole, I will get you out of it. If you want to establish good habits, I'll get you on solid ground. If you want to transcend to higher levels of financial freedom, I will make sure you rise. Transparently, I also struggle financially. This isn't one of your run-of-the-mill, let me tour you through my mansion and tell you how poor you are YouTube videos. I want this to be an honest dialogue between people who have money anxiety, and I lead in that category. I have a better relationship with money now more than ever. A lot of the financial media that you consume is probably coming from someone that is much farther ahead of us. This is advice coming from someone that is on the path with you. They are speaking from hindsight bias. I am walking with you hand in hand. All that said, why does everyone feel so financially hopeless in the richest country in the world? As of 2024, 62% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Credit card debt has surpassed 1.1 trillion, with average interest rates exceeding 20%. Both are record highs.